Hello, friends. Welcome to Math Time with Mrs. Idas. Today we are going to be learning stories about separating. That means we're going to use our cubes to show a whole amount of something and then to break it apart because we are starting to learn about subtraction. So remember, our assignment is in our math workbook with the fishy on the cover. You're going to open your book to 8-1. 8-1. Stories about separating. So you will need your cubes today and your pencil. Mrs. Idas is going to use a crayon because I know pencil is hard to see in our videos, but I would like you to use your pencil, okay? You can also choose a crayon to circle our whole picture as we go along so you can start to see what a story about separating looks like. So let's go ahead and begin. All right, is everybody on 8-1? Very good. I'm going to start telling you some number stories. Then we're going to use the pictures to count the cubes and see how many are left on the mat. So let's go ahead and get a color you'd like to circle with and also get your pencil. Okay, I'm going to pretend my blue crayon is my pencil today, friends. But this is the red color I'm going to circle with. Let's begin. Star number 1. Jessie shows 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. So let's circle them because Jessie has 3 cubes. All right? Jessie takes 1 away. So do you see how they moved the cube off of the mat? They took 1 away. How many cubes are left on Jessie's mat? 1, 2. That's right, friends. That's why now we trace with our pencil number 2. Let's show this with our cubes. So we know Jessie had 3 cubes. 1, 2, 3. But Jessie takes 1 away. Now Jessie only has 1, 2, just like our picture shows. Wonderful. Good job, friends. Let's get ready for our next problem. Apple 2. Here we go. Alex shows 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So Alex starts with 5 cubes all together. That's right. He takes 2 cubes away. Take off 2 cubes. How many cubes does he have left? 1, 2, 3. That's right. So if we show with our cubes 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we take 2 of them away, how many are left, friends? That's right, just 3. So let's take out these cubes and let's trace our number 3 together. Good job, friends. All right, let's get ready for our next story about separating. Fishy number 3. So this time we have Jared, and Jared has 8 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's work with 8 cubes, okay? Jared has 8 cubes all together. But Jared takes 3 away. 1, 2, 3. How many cubes does Jared have left on the mat? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's right. If we take 3 away from 8, we are left with 5. Good job, friends. Good thinking. All right, let's get our cubes all back together again for our next story about separating. Okay, Heart 4. This story is about Caitlin. Caitlin has 5 cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all we need. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, circle the hole. 5 cubes. She takes 1 away. So let's take 1 off. How many cubes does she have left on her mat? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yep, we have 4 too. 1, 2, 3, 4. When we have 5 and we take 1 away, we are left with 4. Good job, friends. Let's continue our learning on the next page. Okay, here's a story about separating, and the animals are going somewhere. This is perfect because we are learning this week about animal adaptations. So here are some ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ducks all together. So let's circle the hole. 6 ducks all together. Now, 3 of these ducks are ready to migrate. Did you know that birds and other animals migrate for the winter? That means they go somewhere else when it is cold. They want to go to warmer weather. So these little ducks are getting ready to migrate, and 3 of them have already started. Off they go. Bye, ducks. So if I had 6 and 3 of them go to migrate, how many ducks are left? 3. That's right, friends. Good job. Okay, let's listen to another story about frogs this time. How many frogs do we have all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 frogs all together. That's the whole. But frogs do not migrate like ducks. They hibernate. That means they have a long sleep during the winter to save their energy. One little frog decides to go hibernate. He's going to dig a little hole in the mud under the pond and go to sleep for a long time. So there he goes. He goes off to hibernate. How many frogs are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, friends. 5 frogs are left. Now, here are some chipmunks. Chipmunks have to get ready to hibernate as well. They have a long sleep during the winter. How many chipmunks do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, 6 again. Circle the hole. 6 chipmunks all together. 2 go to search for nuts to hide in their burrow during their long hibernation. Bye-bye, chipmunks. How many chipmunks are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Good job, friends. This is what it looks like to separate. It's when we're taking a small group from the whole group away. Have you heard of takeaway? That's exactly what we mean. So looking at 8-2, we're going to do some stories, more stories about take away. Can you get your yellow crayon and butter up take away? That means we're pulling apart a certain amount from a group and seeing how many we have left over, just like we've been doing in 8-1. This time we have a picture of cubes. How many cubes are here all together, friends? 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's model that. You show me 4 cubes too. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we have 4. If we take one away, how many cubes do we have left? 3. That's right. We showed it in our picture and we showed it with our cubes. Say with Mrs. Itis, 4 take away 1 is 3. Great job, friends. All right, how many cubes do I have all together here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have 5 cubes all together. First, we have to count the whole picture. Now I need to take away 2. 1, 2. It's like I'm working backwards. How many are left? Well, let's see. let's make it with our cubes. So first we start with 5. It's the biggest number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the whole group. Take away 2. 1, 2. How many are left, friends? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now we know 5 take away 2 is 3. Awesome. Okay, now we are going to do our next problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Take away 2. Oh my goodness. So we have 6. We're going to take away 2. How many cubes are left? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right. 6 take away 2 is 4. Great job, friends. Let's continue using takeaways. Oh, how cute. Here are some more birds. Oh, the geese like to migrate too. Oh my goodness. There were 5 geese at the pond. Can you trace the 5? Because that's how many there are all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Take away 3. Oh, those 3 must have gone already. They must have already migrated. 5 take away 3 is 1, 2. Only 2 left over. Good job, friends. Oh, look at the little chicks. Look how cute they are in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's circle the 6 little chicks. We have 6 all together. The whole group is your first number when we do takeaway stories. 6, take away 1. 1 chick walks away. So cross out 1. 6, take away 1. How many is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 are left. 6 take away 1 is 5. Oh my goodness. Good job, friends. I like how you're reading with me and practicing the words take away. Last picture. I see some ducks in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's circle the whole group. And we know that's 8 all together first. Okay? Now, these little ducks are going to swim. So, we have 8 all together, but 3 swim away. 1, 2, 3. 8 take away 3 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, friends. Now you know some stories about takeaway, and you understand that first we start with a whole group and then take parts away. After that, we're left with some that remain. Good job, friends. Tomorrow we will be practicing some more takeaway stories. Thanks for coming to Math Time with Mrs. Ides. See you tomorrow.